Hello student, today we are going to learn how to write pattern program. Here you are seeing this pattern. The information is displayed in rows and columns in a pyramid format, in a fluid triangle format. By using Java programming language, how you will write a program, how you will design a pattern. Here you will see that uh, this pattern will be displayed in 5 rows. Am I correct or not? And in first row, first column, one star is there. In second row, two columns, two star is there. In third row, three columns, three stars are there. In 4 rows, four column is there. In 5 rows, five columns was there. So how you will write your program? First you should import java dot io dot asterisk. Okay, then then whenever you are displaying this information in rows and column wise, you should use the concept of nested for loop. So every Java program must begin with a class, public class, class name. Class name is user defined name, pattern. Then every class must contain at least one main method, public, static, void, main, off. Then here I am using two variables because I am using nested for loop concept I comma j. Here I indicates number of rows, j indicates columns. So first I am declaring outer loop for I equal to 1 because I am displaying the pattern star from first rows onwards and it must end with fifth row. So every looping concepts must contain three things: starting value, initial value, condition and update statement. For I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Then you are using inner loop for j equal to 1 means it must begin displaying from the first column. J is less than or equal to I. What is my limit will be the number of rows. Here number of rows will be the number of columns it is displaying. In first row, first column. Second row, second column. So I am writing the limit. Column must be less than or equal to rows. After that, open the inner loop. Then I am writing system dot out dot print of, because I am displaying the image, it must be enclosed in a double quotation. Then close my inner loop. Then I must write system dot out dot print ln of empty. Then close my outer loop, close my method, close my class. This is your outer loop. This is your method. This is your class. This is your outer loop. Now I will explain how the output will come. See here. I am writing I, J and your output. Now what is my I value? 1. It will check the condition. First it will go to I equal to 1, then it will move to I is less than or equal to 5. What is I value? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Then it will enter into your inner loop, j equal to 1. So what is my condition here? J is less than or equal to I. So j is 1, less than or equal to, what is my I value? 1. The condition is true. When this condition is true, it will enter into your inner loop. System.out.print asterisk will be displayed. Then it will go to j++. So now the j value become 2. I value will remain same as 2 only. Then I am checking the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 1. The condition is false. The moment the condition is false, it will come out of your inner loop. Then it will execute system.out.println, means the cursor will come to the next line. ln means new line. Now it will start displaying the output in next line. Then it will go to I++. Now this is your second iteration. Now I become 2. 2 is nothing but second row. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Condition is true. When this condition is true, it will enter into your inner loop. Now the j value is 1. Then you are checking the condition. 1 is less than or equal to 2. The condition is true. The moment the condition is true, it will display star. Then it will go to j++. Now the j value become 2. Then we are checking the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 2. The condition is true. Then it will display this method. System.out.print. Print means it will start displaying side by side. In this manner, it will display all this asterisk in a triangle form until the condition become false. Hope you will understand. If at all any doubt, please send your doubts to me.